Last moment magic. Unlocking English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, last moment. It's a phrase you might hear often, but what does it really entail? Let's find out together and add another expression to your growing English vocabulary. The phrase, last moment, refers to the final part of a period of time, whether it's a day, an event, or a deadline. It's that critical point where there's no more time left. Imagine you have a train to catch, and you arrive just as the doors are closing. That's the last moment. Using last moment in a sentence is simple. For example, she finished her assignment at the last moment. He decided to join the trip at the last moment. It's all about timing. Remember, this phrase often carries a sense of urgency or hurry. The beauty of last moment lies in its versatility. It can describe stressful situations where time is running out, or surprise decisions made just before it's too late. Let's look at some examples. Stressful. I bought the concert tickets at the last moment. Surprise. They changed the venue at the last moment. Don't confuse last moment with at the last minute, which is similar but might imply a slightly less urgent time frame. Also, last moment isn't necessarily negative. It can be exciting. There you have it. The phrase, last moment, is now a part of your English toolkit. Use it to describe those nail-biting finishes or spontaneous decisions. Hope this has been an enlightening session, and as always, keep practicing. Until our next language adventure, happy learning!